in Germany is about 2,000 to 2,600 euros. That is not very far from what a nurse in the United States gets. And moreover, the expenses like food, like rent, healthcare, and transport are far lower compared to those in the United States. So that means that the nurse remains with a significant amount in their pocket after all expenses. If your dream is coming to the United States, it may take you even 5 years if you are in some specific countries. However, you can go to Germany, start working and getting experience in such a developed country. Today I'm going to bring you a nurse whom we studied together with at the same university back in Kenya. If you are a Baratonian here, please say hi to me. Yes, this is Jemima Patience. We are so lucky that she's going to tell us the process on how to work in Germany. Patience!
Hello everyone. My name is Jemima Patient, a Kenyan nurse by profession, and I'm currently pursuing the process of working as a nurse in Germany to become a registered nurse in Germany. So the general pathway includes these steps. First of all, a nurse has to be below 42 years of age, because this is the age bracket that you find most employers actually prefer nurses who are below this age. Secondly, the nurse needs to be motivated and willing to learn German language. Thirdly, the nurse should have a diploma or a degree in nursing. If you meet these requirements, you're going to take the German language, to mean you're going to enroll yourself into a German language school, either an online classes or physical classes. Most employers actually require nurses to have at least a B1, but at most a B2. So preferably, most employers take nurses with B2 German language level or German language proficiency. So once you've completed your language level at a B2 level, you'll have to undertake a German language exam. And yes, so this certification is going to actually help with the visa process.
I'm going to summarize what she has said in a step-by-step process. Step number 1, have the academic qualifications, have a diploma or a degree in nursing. If you have above than that, that is even better. Number 2, start learning the German language. Many employers want up to B2 language proficiency. This may take you 8 months to 18 months. After you feel confident that now you know enough of German, go and do a German language exam. Just like us who come to America, we do TOEFL or IELTS, you guys are going to do Goethe Institute or TELC examinations. Pass the German language exam, and then step number 4, prepare the required documents. Your passport, your degree or diploma certificate, your academic transcripts, your nursing license, the certificate of good conduct, and police clearance. If you are in Uganda, you have to get these from Interpol. If you are in Kenya, you have to get these from DCI. Then other countries ask about where to get these documents. You have to get a birth certificate, marriage certificate if that applies to you, your CV or resume, your work experience, or what we call employment certificate. And then on top of that, you add your German language proficiency certificate. Step number 5, translate and certify your documents. You can certify or notarize your documents. Step number 6, apply for recognition. Jemima Patience has given us the number of the guy who owns a recognition school in Germany. So your documents have to be recognized as either equal or less equal to those of Germany. And if they are not equal, they will give you additional courses, but still you will be able to, after you pass those courses, you will be able to go through. So I'm going to pin the number of that guy here so that you guys can contact him. He can guide you on even how to get jobs in Germany, employers, and above all, the recognition process. Step number 7, find an employer, someone who is going to give you a job in Germany. Common agencies that take nurses to Germany include TTA Personal, Care with Care Recruitment, Connexus Med Staff, and others. Step number 8, sign. If they give you a job, sign the contract. Sign the employment contract. You are now very close. Step number 9, it is time you have a German job. Now it is time to walk confidently to the German embassy, or if in your country you apply online, find out about the process of applying for the visa. Apply for the visa, apply for the work visa, and take your flight to Germany. Step number 11, attend an adaptation program. When you reach Germany, they will give you an adaptation program to help you adapt to the professional life in Germany. Step number 12, get the German license and then start working as a nurse in Germany. Guys, this is easier. This is a little easier compared to what you can go through waiting for that visa to the United States. So in summary, it's going to take you about 8 to 18 months to learn German. And then the recognition is going to take 3. The recognition of your documents is going to take you 3 to 6 months. The visa process, Germany is not like America. America, it takes years. For Germany, it is just within 3 to 6 months, they have already approved your visa. And then the total journey, we have seen that it takes 12 months to 24 months. That is very short compared to what we go through coming to the United States. That is very good news, guys. Let's go to Germany. Let's go to Germany. Guten Morgen, guten Tag, ich liebe dich.